While American industry is obviously alive and well and still leading the world by a large margin, what has changed is the way in which we make things. 50 years ago, a lot of products in the cabinet and furniture industry were made by hand and with minimal automation. Most custom cabinetry went into upper-end homes, was designed by architects, and those casework boxes were all built individually. Today, the word custom applies more to design, finish, and installation rather than the production process. Even the smallest shops are now outsourcing components rather than building everything in-house and by hand. Many shop managers began outsourcing when they needed to solve a short-term problem that was due to some budget or deadline issues. But after that first experience of ordering out parts, a lot of workshops continue outsourcing for another reason. The quality of products being made by component manufacturers is so impressive. Now the shop owners and managers understand they can't always deliver the same degree of excellence in-house, at least not for the same amount of. When a cabinet shop is preparing a commercial bid for a large project, outsourcing can help simplify the process. The component supplier will generate a set price for the part being outsourced. The cabinet maker simply has to forward the specs to the supplier, who will then work out the cost. That number can be incorporated into the bid without having to do a separate detailed estimate for in-house time and material. The cabinet shop is preparing for a commercial bid for a large project. Outsourcing can help simplify the process. The component supplier will generate a set price for that part for the bid being outsourced. When a cabinet shop is preparing a commercial bid for a large project, outsourcing can help simplify that process. The component supplier will generate a set price for that part of the bid being outsourced. The cabinet maker simply has to forward the specs, and the supplier will then work out the cost. That number can then be incorporated into the bid without having to do a separate detailed estimate for in-house time and material. Pre-finishing is perhaps one of the greatest advantages to subcontracting the manufacturing process. If parts can be ordered pre-finished, the shop doesn't have to inventory a wide array of stains, sealers, or top. Outsourcing is part of a new era of mass production, where a combination of CNC technology and innovations in material are providing a new palette of solutions for custom workshops, allowing them to be more competitive, more creative, and more profitable.